Hey, Jason Stretch here. This is Dagny. She's our shop dog, and we'll see how long she holds our attention while we talk. But Dagny came from an animal shelter, and animal shelters play an important role in our community. There are a lot of animals that are, essentially thrown away, or people move and can't take the animals with them, and all these animals need help. So one of the things she does as part of her job here at Legendary Automotive is help raise awareness and funds for the local animal shelters. She does a couple things throughout the year, and you'll see, checking out the rest of her profile on what we do here, it's a big thing for us. And if you like dogs, come by and meet Dagny.